How to change YouTube handle name on mobile before 14 days. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to teach you on how can you change your YouTube handle name on mobile before 14 days. So in order to do this, follow the steps. First of all, open the YouTube app on your mobile device and then after tap on your profile and select the Your Channel or View Channel option. From there, tap on the edit button at the right side of the screen. If you click on handle, you'll notice that you can change your YouTube handle twice every 14 days. And if you need to change the handle name again, even after already making 2 changes, simply open your preferred browser and search for YouTube support in the search bar. Click on the first link that appears. In the Describe Your Issue section, type YouTube handles and click on Handles Overview. After that, you have to simply scroll down until you see the option for personalized URLs. Click on that and then select youtube.com handle. Next, click on Change Handle and then you will be able to update your handle name once again. This is how you can change YouTube handle name on mobile before 14 days. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.